Here we have a 2014 Volkswagen Passat. It's fitted with the 2 litre TDi engine, the diesel engine, and it's done roughly 85,000 miles. Another job I'm going to do on this car as part of the service is to change the diesel fuel filter, which you will find in this housing here. We just need to take out these Torx 20 bolts, take the top off to get the filter out. And you can see on the top here it says 5 plus or minus 1 Newton metre, so these shouldn't be too tight at all. I'll use the gun to take them out, but certainly won't be using it to put them back in. There's usually a little recess. You can get a little screwdriver in and just tweak it like that. Break the seal in there. Make a mess again. You see the filter lifted up slightly in there then. Well, I think I'll grab some more blue roll for that. Try and wedge it out of the way somehow. That should do. Got an old baking tray there, that's quite handy for things like this. What I'll do, I'll leave it there for a little while just to drain down a bit. Right, that's been dripping away for a while now. Good idea to check in there that there's no debris. There's a dark mark down in there, but I think that's just a like a moulding mark on the actual housing. So what I'll do next is get my new filter. These are about around about £30 mark, 25 to £30 mark. If you go for a genuine Volkswagen one, you're probably looking nearer £50 just for that filter. Now it's a good idea if you've got a can of diesel just to trickle some in here and fill it up. So I'm just going to fill up the filter. I mean, it may have been okay, it might have cranked over and fired up and been fine, but I have, in the past, been in a situation where you fire it up and it will run for 3 or 4 seconds, then it will cut out because the air goes through the system, and it's a real pain to restart once that happens. So I'd rather not risk it. As you can see, it hasn't really taken much, so yeah, the chances are it might have been fine. grab some more blue roll because I think when I push the top down that's going to spill out a little bit. I don't think we're okay. Right, I'll get all the bolts back in, same as before, and fire it up. Right, let's see what happens. Sounds okay, hasn't cut out yet. Just need to keep an eye on that and make sure it doesn't leak. It looks pretty good though. Just double check these, but as I say, only 5 Newton meters. Well, that's it, one diesel filter changed. So now the job's complete. All that's left to do, which I do with pretty much any job I do on a car, take it out for a road test. Bring it back and double check the areas you've been working are all good. And if you've changed filters, make sure there's no leaks. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully the video's been of some help for you. And if it has, please consider hitting like and subscribe. It will help our channel out no end. Cheers.